Hi, I'm Rachel Bevan from Rachel's Essentials, and today we're going to be making a bath soak. Now this is going to be for anytime you have sore muscles or you're just trying to relax completely. We're going to be doing this bath soak. So we're going to have Epsom salt, Dead Sea salt, and some baking soda. Now the baking soda purifies, the Dead Sea salt really seeps in and kind of removes all dirt, and the Epsom salt soaks in and relieves any kind of constipation or hurt muscles or anything like that. So we're going to take 1 cup of Epsom salt, and we're going to take 1/3 of a cup of Dead Sea salt. Now you can do up to a 1/2 cup of it. I just did a little bit less. And then we're going to need 1/4 cup of baking soda. And then we're going to be adding our oils. So for the oils, I'm choosing lavender and stress away, but it's up to you which one you want to do. And so I'm going to do a total of about 10 drops. And so I'm going to add about 4 of these. Now you can always add more oils if you want those more oils, but you don't have to. And this recipe does make 2 4-ounce jars or 1 8-ounce jar. So it's kind of up to you how many you want to do, or if you want to shorten the recipe or anything like that. And that does say that in all of the description above this video. So I hope you enjoy your bath soak, and it is super relaxing. So enjoy a nice little night.